Sweetie. Mommy's gonna get you some food. Are you hungry? Good sitting. We might be crawling soon. We might be crawling soon. We might be crawling soon. Whoa. Baby Emmett. Here's your silly right here. I found it. It's right here. Is that what you wanted? Oh, you could get it. Show me how you get that. Yay, baby Emmett. Yay, Emmett. Oh, sweetheart. You have it upside down. Okay. Mommy's going to get you some baba, okay? Good job, Emmett. Good. Whoa. Hi. I'm going to get you some baba, okay? What a strong boy I have. Okay, time for baba.